Do I really need the EVO 2 at $1,500 US? Sure, it's got a 6K camera and obstacle avoidance all around, but the average droney doesn't need all that. Most of us fly for fun, just to take nice videos and not to call too much attention to your drone. You don't want to let everyone in the park know you're flying a weed eater above their heads. The Anafi weighs just 320 grams, so it'll fold up and go into your little bag or pocket, whatever you have. It has a 4K camera, and the camera tilts 180 degrees up and down. How many drones can do that? The camera can zoom in on objects, so you don't need to get that close to the obstacles. It also has a 21 megapixel camera for those great photos. If you want to fly out of your comfort zone, you can fly a mile or two out and know it'll come back by the push of a return to home button. Oh, and don't forget, the camera will start filming as soon as the Anafi lifts off and shuts off the camera when it lands. You will never forget to start recording like so many of us do, over and over and over again. Don't forget 25-minute battery life. And now for the app. It's new for Parrot. It's called a Free Flight 6. Free Flight 6 lets you fly in film mode, sport mode, cinematic mode, and racing mode. And then there's manual mode, cameraman, follow me, smart dronies, FPV, flight plan, touch and go. Don't forget dolly zoom. Flight plan is still my favorite way to fly, because you can plan your flight at home in the Free Flight 6 app, then go to the field and have it fly that mission, and you just watch it execute the flight on your phone or tablet. What do you need? Something to scare the neighbors, or something no one will probably hear? Okay, and for the giveaway, it's a pair of sunglasses with a camera in them. They'll do 1080p video and voice. These glasses would be great for recording your aircraft in the sky while it's flying. Don't forget, I got a quadcopter given away. It's also going to be given away February 14th. You can check down below for the link to that video. Thank you very much. To enter, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'll give these away on February 14th. You'll get the notice in the upcoming video. Thank you.